Welcome to our video where we dive into the world of compact treadmills, comparing the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, helping you make an informed decision on which treadmill might be the right fit for your home gym. When it comes to price, the Goplus is available for around $299, making it a more premium option. On the other hand, the Home Fitness Code is priced at about $169, making it a more budget-friendly choice. According to reviewers, if saving money is a priority, the Home Fitness Code seems to take the lead in this category. Design and functionality are where these two treadmills start to show their unique features. The Goplus is celebrated for its 2-in-1 capability, acting as both a walking pad and a running treadmill, praised for its versatility and easy storage. Meanwhile, the Home Fitness Code impresses with its ultra-compact design, easily fitting under a bed or in small storage spaces, making it ideal for those with limited room. Reviewers appreciate the Home Fitness Code for its simplicity and space-saving qualities. Power is essential for a good treadmill experience. The Goplus offers a 2.25 HP motor, which is quiet yet effective, making it suitable for a peaceful workout environment. The Home Fitness Code, with a slightly more powerful 2.5 HP motor, is also noted for its quiet operation. Reviewers of both products appreciate the balance of power and quietness, making them both suitable for home use without disturbing others. Extras can enhance the treadmill experience, and here, the Goplus shines with its Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, and remote control, making it a more tech-friendly option. The Home Fitness Code, however, focuses on simplicity and ease of use, coming fully assembled and ready to go. Reviewers of the Goplus enjoy the added features, while those of the Home Fitness Code appreciate its straightforward, no-fuss approach. In summary, reviews for the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill highlight its versatility and tech-friendly extras, but note its higher price and average build quality. The Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill receives praise for its compact design, ease of use, and affordability, making it a favored choice for those looking for a simple, space-saving solution. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill. We hope this analysis based on online reviews and feature comparisons has helped you in making a more informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check the description for product links. Happy shopping!